National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Big Rock to near Waverly, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Charlotte, Cumberland City, Cheatham Dam, McCune, Dover, Elmira, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Woodlawn, Arion, Waverly, Van Leer, Houston County Airport, Indian Mound, Sladen, Burns, Cunningham, Dixon, and Camden. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 164 and 173. Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Tennessee, Houston, Humphreys, and Stewart.